In this section, we're going to talk about back pain. Back pain obviously is a huge issue. We could do hours and hours on the reasons and causes and treatments and I guess challenges of treating back pain. So in our clinical experience, we don't try to put back pain in a box, and we're not trying to say that the Genesis Health Light is the absolute solution to low back pain by any means. But some of the things that we know are always true. When we're talking about back pain, we're going to be talking about inflammation, and we're going to be talking about tissue damage. So if you've got a disc problem, there's probably inflammation around the disc and damage to that disc. If you've got a muscle pull or muscle damage in your low back, there's going to be inflammation and muscle repair has to happen. If you're talking about ligaments or bone, there's actually a bony defect or an old injury in your back, there's going to be inflammation left over. So the Genesis Health Light was an assist to the doctors that you're already working with or the therapy you're already doing. If you're having simple back pain from overuse, from gardening, first long bike ride of the year, skiing, an unfortunate fall, the Genesis Health Light will help remove that inflammation in your back and get you feeling better and more mobile quicker. If you, unfortunately, let's go to worst case scenario, maybe you've had back surgeries and you've had a lot of interventions and you're seeing a lot of professionals to deal with your back pain. The Genesis Health Light will help those professionals in their treatment plan for you by allowing you at home to deal with that inflammation. That'll make you feel more comfortable. It'll make their treatments more effective. So what we want to do here today is not an overview of all the reasons and causes of back pain. What I want to do is remind you that we can help with inflammation, pain control, and tissue repair, regardless of your age and regardless of whether it's a chronic injury or an acute injury. Using the Genesis Health Light on your back is something that either you're going to need to use the stand that you can check out at the genesishealthlight.com, see which one is right for you, or using a family member to help you out. The other thing I want to emphasize is that this is absolutely safe to use with any other treatment that you're using, whether you're using acupuncture, chiropractic, physio, previous surgery, even simple things like pain in the spine after an epidural. Very, very often those points around the spine will be very tender. You can use the Genesis Health Light there. So again, wherever you're feeling the pain, you want to try and find the center of that. So if it's a muscular pain, it's off the spine, or if it's right on the spine, you would want to start your treatment right over the center or the part of the body that has the most amount of pain. If the pain radiates down through the muscles or radiates down into the gluteal region, you would follow that pain, that referral pattern, you would follow that down, treating over those areas also. So we'd like you to start at the spine and work your way more to the periphery, following the pain. The other thing that's important to remember is that when you're treating your back, you would want to use the high setting, and you would want to use that for 10 minutes in each area. So our treating area is about 6 square centimeters, so you're going to be able to cover quite a bit of area. So if you did 10 minutes there, 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there, that adds up to a 30-minute treatment. That's a fair bit of time, but you're going to cover quite a bit of the body and the areas where the pain is radiating. So treating your low back can be complex, but for control of inflammation and control of pain, Genesis Health Light will help any other treatments or any other modalities you may be using for your low back pain.